Hi, my name is Jessica Newell. I'm the Assistant Curator of Ectotherms here at Denver Zoo Conservation Alliance, and I work in the Tropical Discovery Building. And I'm really excited to share with you our new conservation project that we just got animals for, the Florida Reef Tract Rescue Project. Stony coral tissue loss disease is an incredibly rampant and widespread disease that's affecting a variety of species in Florida, and the rate at which it's killing corals is detrimental to those reefs. Those reefs, like 90% of the reefs in Florida are having this loss, and it's characterized by rapid tissue loss and then death of coral colonies. So when people think of corals, they don't necessarily think of animals. However, corals are colonies of individual animals, and those colonies need good environments, they need appropriate lighting, they need the right water flow and water temperature, and so there's a lot of environmental factors that researchers are looking at to see if those are affecting corals. So the Florida Reef Tract Rescue Project is a collaboration between 21 AZA facilities across the country, and the state of Florida is looking for all the expertise of the animal care specialists or the aquarists that are at all of those facilities to care for their corals, while the state of Florida tries to figure out how to deal with the disease progression, find cures, treatments, and then we're like reassurance colonies. And then one of the coolest parts of this, where science and technology meet, all of the lights that you see here are connected to the internet, and we are able to match the weather in Florida. So you think of tropical discovery and you think of snakes and lizards and some fish and frogs and our bats and sloths and capybaras, but corals are such an integral part of the environment, and it's integral for the biodiversity of a lot of animals. They are habitats and nurseries for juvenile animals. They provide safety along our coastlines from hurricanes, from erosion. So a question we get asked a lot is, what can you do to save corals? And I think one of the easiest things you can do in general in Colorado is to visit the Denver Zoo Conservation Alliance and support organizations like ours that are taking care of animals and are working with other entities and other partnerships to save them. And just general conservation tips, making sure you're using reef-safe sunscreen, making sure you're not putting trash in the ocean, making sure you're cleaning up after yourself. Those are pretty basic ways that you as a human, as just a Coloradoan, can help save corals and help protect the animals that we all care for here at the Denver Zoo Conservation Alliance.